I have spent many hours at work today so far on the computer. Therefore, I am doing this. Grounding. I am discharging all the EMFs I've obtained from the computer, and after being like this for a few minutes, I feel much better. If you feel headaches when being on the computer or on your phone, I recommend you drop them, the devices on a table, whatever, and go to touch a tree. You'll feel much better after, because you'll be discharging out that excess non-native electricity. And yeah, this is grounding, aka earthing.